Abacus. Definition: a square or rectangular frame holding an arrangement of small balls on metal rod or wires used for counting or for doing calculation. Example: the abacus was once the most advanced calculating tool in the world. Abbey. Definition: a building where monks or nuns live or used to live. Example: the Owl Abbey on the hill attracts many visitors every summer. Abbeys. Definition: a typical situation that brings trouble or destruction. Example: he stared into the dark abyss, feeling both fear and curiosity. Academy. Definition: a school that teaches a particular subject or trains people for a particular job. Example: the Academy offers training in fine arts and digital design. Accordion. Definition: a box-shaped musical instrument consisting of a folded central part with a keyboard played by pushing the two ends towards each other. Example: the old man played his accordion at the festival every year. Acid rain. Definition: rain that contains large amount of harmful chemicals as a result of burning substances such as coal and oil. Example: the government introduced new laws to reduce acid rain. Admission. Definition: official permission that is given to a person, company, or country to join a large organization. Example: they denied her admission because the deadline had passed. Advertisement. Definition: a paid notice that tells people about the product or service. Example: the company released a new advertisements for their latest product. Aerogramme. Definition: an air letter. Example: in the past, people relied on aerograms to communicate across continents. Aeroplane. Definition: airplane. Example: the aeroplane landed safely despite the storm. Agate. Definition: a hard stone with patterns of different colors. Example: the engraver bought a beautiful agate stone as a souvenir. Agency. Definition: a business that provides a service to other people or organization. Example: the travel agency helped us plan our entire trip to Japan. Agenda. Definition: a list of matters to be discussed at the meeting. Example: the draftman added environmental issues to the agenda for the discussion. Airbag. Definition: a bag in a vehicle that automatically fills the air if the vehicle is involved in an accident in order to protect the driver or a passenger from injury. Example: the car's airbag has been deployed just in time to save the driver. Air conditioner. Definition: a machine that cools a room, building, or vehicle. Example: the environmentalist installed a new air conditioner in the living room. Aircraft. Definition: a vehicle such as a plane or a helicopter that can fly and carry goods or passengers. Example: the aircraft took off smoothly and climbed into the clouds. Air filter. Definition: a piece of equipment for removing harmful substances from the air so that people do not breathe them in. Example: the technician replaced the car's air filter last week. Air freshener. Definition: a substance or device that makes a room or vehicle smell pleasant. Example: the designer sprayed air freshener after cleaning the room. Airport. Definition: a place where aircraft regularly take off and land, with buildings for passengers to wait in. Example, the new airport terminal has modern facilities and restaurants. Alarm clock. Definition: a clock that you can set you to wake you up at the particular time with a loud noise. Example, the laborer forgot to set his alarm clock and missed the bus. Album. Definition: a book with plain pages used for connecting together and protecting stamps or photographs. Example, the etymologist will have kept his favorite photos in a family album. Alley. Definition: a narrow road or path between buildings. Example, the thief disappeared into the dark alley before anyone saw him. Amusement park. Definition: a place where people can go to enjoy games, rides, and other activities. Example, we spent the weekend at the amusement park with our cousin. Anchor. Definition: a heavy metal object, usually shaped like a cross with curved arms, on a strong rope with chain, that is dropped from a boat into the water to prevent the boat from moving away. Example, the sailor cleaned the anchor before setting sail again. Ancient monument. Definition: an old building or place that is an important part of the country's history. Example, tourists gathered around the ancient monuments to take photographs. In the next tutorial, I will bring you English noun with meaning lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.